Hi, and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Holly Stout, and I'm the Director of Global Product Development here at Forever Living Products. Today, we're going to talk about the fundamentals of well-being and core nutrition. We're going to talk about vitamins and minerals. We know that vitamins and minerals are considered essential nutrients because when they act together, they perform hundreds of roles in the body. They can help support healthy bone formation. They can bolster your immune system and support your body when your body is going through extreme stress or environmental stressors. They can also help to convert food into energy and help your body, when it's depleted, build up those areas of depletion and build up healthy stores of those adequate nutrients. Vitamins are called organic, and they can actually be broken down by heat, air, or even acid. Minerals are what we call inorganic, and they hold on to their chemical structure. This means the minerals in soils and water easily find their way into your body through plants, fish, animals, and even the fluids you consume. But it's tougher to shuttle vitamins from food and other sources into your body because of cooking, the way we store it, or even simple exposure to air. All of these factors can actually inactivate these fragile compounds. We know that there are certain vitamins that begin to degrade immediately when exposed to air or heat. Also, many of these micronutrients interact. For instance, vitamin D enables your body to pull calcium from food sources and pass it along through your digestive tract rather than harvesting it from your bones. Vitamin C can actually help you absorb iron. So we know that a calculated and strategic combination of vitamins and minerals is just as important as the vitamins and minerals themselves. You can load up on all the vitamin D you want, and you can load up on all the calcium you want, but they are ineffective without each other, and you will only get so much. When we look at vitamins, there are different types of vitamins that the body breaks down and recognizes differently. Water-soluble vitamins have many tasks in the body, and one of the most important is actually helping to free the energy found in the foods that you eat. Water-soluble vitamins, such as B vitamins, are designed to help release the energy. They're a key component of certain coenzymes that help release your energy from food. They can also produce energy. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid engage in energy production. They can be building blocks for protein in cells. Vitamin B6, B12, and folic acid metabolize amino acids, which are actually the building blocks of proteins, and can help your body multiply those various nutrients that's required. And one of the many roles played by vitamin C is actually designed to help your body support healthy collagen formation. So water-soluble vitamins are known to help support healthy collagen levels. Fat-soluble vitamins are kind of, to some extent, vitamins that you could consider as time-released micronutrients. These require a little bit more time in order to break down, and they move more slowly throughout the body. Bone formation would actually be impossible without vitamins A, D, and K. Vitamin A, we know, is designed to help protect your vision. But without vitamin E, your body would have difficulty absorbing and storing vitamin A. So they interact favorably in order to help support healthy vision. Vitamin E also acts as an antioxidant. So you can see they play multiple roles as an individual vitamin and nutrient, but collectively together they are even more powerful. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about two products that are designed with a strategy involved, which requires us to formulate with perfection, with an ideal ratio of vitamins to minerals to micronutrients and macronutrients, designed that your body can recognize them and break them down. Why do we need these basic vitamins and minerals? Why is it so important to take vitamins and minerals? Well, we know today that our soil quality and the crop yield is far less valuable than it was 15, 20 years ago. An article in the New York Times in 2015 actually suggests that nutritional depletion in our crops is not just due to agricultural soil. I'm going to quote something from that article that I found was fascinating. Quote, several studies of fruits, vegetables, and grains have suggested a decline in nutritional value over time, but the reasons may not be as simple as soil depletion. There is considerable evidence that such problems may be related to changes in cultivated varieties, with some high-yielding plants being less nutritious than historical varieties. Several other issues are involved, like changes in farming methods, including the extensive use of chemical fertilizers, as well as food processing and preparation. A 2004 study evaluated Department of Agriculture data for 43 garden crops from 1950 to 1999. The researchers found statistically reliable declines for 6 nutrients: protein, calcium, potassium, iron, and vitamin B2 and C, but no change for 7 others, close quote. Donald R. Davis, which is the lead author of a 2004 study, wrote a review of evidence of nutritional loss in fruits and vegetables in 2009, and he concluded that the broad evidence of nutritional decline seemed difficult to dismiss, though more study was needed, he said, especially of inverse relationships between yield and nutrient concentration. What does this mean? It means that we give and take. We create specifically genetic breeds of certain vegetables, and in that certain deviation of breeding these certain vegetables, we're giving up some of the nutritional value of the original genetic model. In addition, we're growing them so quickly that the soil is depleted of those rich minerals designed to feed those specifically genetic types of variables in vegetables and fruits. So we know that evolution happens naturally, and that as we grow our crops, there are certain breeds that begin to evolve and grow. And what a carrot was 20 years ago, a carrot is different today. We know that the soil is less rich, and that in our ability to grow food to feed the world's populations, we're having to sacrifice on either how much a crop yields or the quality of soil that it's grown in. All of these variables simply mean that while you're eating your healthy fruits and vegetables, you're not getting the nutrition that you did 15 or 20 years ago. And in today's world, we know that amidst stress and chaos and sickness and all the other things that attack our bodies need to be supported. That's why supplementation is so important. We don't want you to use vitamins and minerals as a crutch or an excuse to stop eating a healthy diet. Please get your nutrition from healthy foods, grains, healthy proteins, vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. Get your nutrition from food. But in those times when you need a little extra support, that's where supplementation comes into play and is so critically valuable. Our Forever Daily is a perfectly balanced blend of 55 ingredients, which provides 20 specific fruits and vegetables. Our AOS delivery system is a delivery system that's designed for optimal absorption. We talked earlier about how some vitamins are extremely fragile, and when are exposed to either air or heat, begin to degrade and become immediately less effective. Our AOS system holds those vitamins intact, allowing that when you take those 2 tablets, you are getting the perfectly blended ratio of vitamins and minerals designed to support your body, holding them in the state that they were originally created in, and then delivering them to your body in the perfect state, in that original state designed to give you optimal well-being. Some of the key ingredients in this formula are vitamins A, B6 and 12, vitamins C, E, D, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, biotin, pantothenic acid, which is actually decalcium, calcium, iron, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, molybdenum, and chromium. All of these massive ingredients are found in this essential nutrient-based supplement. It's a tablet, and it's designed with science, quality, and safety in mind. It's actually the ideal solution to fill gaps in your vitamin intake, meaning when you're not eating your rich abundance of vegetables, fruits, grains, proteins, and all of your perfect ratio of carbohydrates to proteins to fats, you need something to bridge those gaps. And we've created Forever Daily specifically for that reason, to help bridge those gaps. The exclusive AOS complex is actually our aloe vera. It's aloe-oligosaccharides, which are designed to help the body absorb more of the goodness found in these essential nutrients. This product is gluten-free and delivers more pure needs to more needy places. This is a product that you're going to want to take daily. It's not one that you're going to want to take when you don't eat healthfully. It's a product you want to take every single day to support you, even though you are eating a great, well-balanced meal. Take this product designed to support you and deliver those optimal nutrients to the places your body needs most. It only takes 2 tablets daily for optimal well-being and a fantastic delivery of vitamins and minerals to the places your body will use it most. Now, when we look at minerals, this is a whole nother area that's fascinating to me, because you already know that multivitamins keep your body fueled, but did you know that multiminerals are just as important? In fact, minerals play a vital role in everything from proper hydration to muscle health, and can even have a role in brain function. But the human body doesn't replace its own lost minerals. So when your body is deficient, it needs to be addressed with supplements or food. Again, we encourage you to get your supplementation and get your vitamins and minerals from your food. But we also offer suggestions and ways to help supplement your body for those depletion of minerals that your body does not produce naturally by way of Forever Nature Min. In fact, Forever Nature Min has an optimal level of 10 essential and trace minerals. Let's talk about the difference between what an essential macro and trace mineral is. Well, minerals are important for your body to stay healthy, and your body uses minerals for many different jobs, including keeping your bones, your muscles, your heart, and your brain working properly. Minerals are also important for making enzymes and hormones. And there are actually 2 kinds of minerals. There's a macro mineral and a trace mineral. You need larger amounts of macro minerals, and these include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. But you only need a very small amount of trace minerals, and these include iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, fluoride, and selenium. Most people get the amount of minerals they need by eating a wide variety of foods, but in some cases, you might be recommended a mineral supplement. I recommend a mineral supplement to everybody, regardless of how healthy they eat or not, simply because we know that your body is frequently depleted of those macro minerals and trace minerals. And where your body can't replenish those, you need to get them from a wide variety of food. Now, I want to ask you a question. How many of you eat a wide variety of healthy foods? I know I'm guilty as charged. I do not necessarily eat the broadest range of foods because I live a very active lifestyle. I work, I'm a mother, I am a daughter and a friend and a sister and a neighbor. I am constantly engaged in my life, and because of that, I don't always get the broadest range of nutrients from my food. Therefore, I choose to supplement my diet with our Forever Daily and our Forever Nature Min, because I know the importance of these individual macro minerals and trace minerals for my body. Now, when we talk about them being required in certain amounts, macro minerals being required in higher amounts and trace minerals required in smaller amounts, the amount is not an indication of its importance. Both are equally important to the body. The body just requires less of some and more of others in order to maintain that optimal feeling of health and vitality. Our product, key ingredients, are actually sourced from deep in an ancient seabed. Think about this. All of those rich, abundant minerals are found at the seabeds of ancient water. I'm drawing a blank to the word. Deep in ancient seabeds, deep in pools of water. Those waters that have been around for thousands of years have soaked up minerals from the life forms that exist within them, or from the various earth forms that are below them. So when we look at the abundance of minerals that are present in ancient seabeds, we have found sources all over the world that provide a rich and abundant benefit by way of minerals. Our Forever Nature Mint actually contains calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, manganese, copper, selenium, iodine, and molybdenum. These are designed for the optimal ratio of macro minerals and trace minerals at the right levels, extracted from many different places around the world that we know have an abundance of delivering exactly what Mother Nature intended. You heard me right. We source these naturally, we procure them naturally, and we put them into a tablet designed with the right ratio of each involved, so that when you take them into your body and your body begins to break down all of those minerals, they are at the right ratio that your body will recognize and begin to pull in either a macro amount or a trace amount and use them as your body sees fit. Minerals are so tremendously important. I think we often minimize the importance of minerals, and yet I cannot overemphasize the importance of minerals in a standard diet. They help to support your muscles, your brain, and your thyroid function. They help to regulate fluid balance. Think about the percentage of your body that is balanced by fluids. Fluids are the core foundation for everything we do. When you are dehydrated, your joints, your discs, your bones, everything, your cells, everything becomes dehydrated. Fluids are so key in your body's core fundamental processes that you need minerals to help regulate the fluid balance. They're also an excellent source of electrolytes. Our Nature Mint is vegetarian friendly, vegan, and gluten-free. So you can see the benefits for a mineral product are so far superior to any other type of supplement that you could take. I can't state it enough, the importance of a fundamental, basic, essential nutrient that's balanced in both vitamins and minerals. And I can't stress enough the importance of taking the recommended dose. Now, I know that it's a lot. I know that these tablets are fairly large, and that taking 6 tablets daily may seem like a huge amount of tablets. Think about it though. We have packed in some of the most powerful and potent minerals found on the earth today in these tablets, and we know the right ratio required in order for your body to break them down and take them where it needs it most. These 6 tablets contain those priceless and precious minerals, and in these 6 tablets are that advanced mineral formula designed for optimal health and well-being. Combined with the 2 tablets that you'll take with Forever Daily, you are now going to be giving your body the essential nutrients that it needs in the right ratios, as well as the calculated combination of ingredients designed for your body to benefit from these vitamins and minerals in their purest form at the highest quality and the highest safety levels. When you give your body core foundational support, your body gets additional support for the immune system. It will help your body perform the fundamental functions that it needs to help support you through your busy lifestyle. You will increase your general feeling of well-being and help to bridge those nutritional gaps that we all have when eating even the healthiest of diets. I hope you found this information helpful. These are 2 of the core staples that I take and that my family takes every single day. I have what I consider those vital products, and these are 2 of those that are found in my daily regimen for overall health and vitality. I sincerely wish you the greatest of success as you take these products and share them with others. Have a fantastic day.